Alrighty, got that out. Now what are we gonna do?
Hopefully pull this out.
Yeah, we're about to pull his engine out. Yeah, boy. Disconnect the engine mounts and then this thing's coming out. It's coming out with the transmission. That's what we decided.
That's what Gray decided.
That's what I decided. That's what I decided. Coming out with the training. Then we can just disconnect the training. Easy peasy out of the car. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Got the engine out of the car. Cameraman. It's all out there, baby. No more engine in the Mustang. Engine and transmission. It's out.
Yeah, we're not doing little Rangers anymore.
Big
this
V8.
Is a full 5-liter.
Big V8.
No, but yeah, dude, my dad used to
So,
have a Lancia Beta.
We got the engine out. Right there on the engine stand.
Because they were
Engine out of the car.
I didn't even realize that.
So now we're going to push this out. We're going to get into the carport for storage. And then we're going to start tearing into this bad boy.
Actually, my mom had an automatic for it,
Start
my dad had
disassembling
a
this
manual
bad
one.
guy.
The manual one, something
Check it
really
out, flip it over, see what's
sat
going on with the
for a
engine,
while.
see what's going on with the rods.
Great, when we were
Drain the
kids.
oil because there's still
We
oil
were
in
at
it.
my house, and he was like,
Nick,
"Can I, like,
shabba-la-la-la. Trying to just describe what's
throw
going on.
baseballs at the car?" I was like, "Yeah."
Nick. Trying to describe what's going on.
Remember when he broke my dad's
Be quiet.
Volvo's
Can you be quiet?
windshield?
Can you just be quiet? So yeah, we're gonna drain the oil out of this, rotate it, take the oil pan off, and then we're gonna start disassembling it. So yeah, here at Red Barn Builds, we can fix stuff. What else can we do? We can build stuff.
And take it apart. And we can drink stuff. Hopefully this goes back in. I'm hoping it goes back in.
It'll go back. See you on the next video. We start tearing into this thing.